Hello viewers, in this video we want to learn how to create placeholders in PowerPoint where we can easily click and insert our text and images, and then this will speed our work up. So this is what we are going to create in this video. You can see that we have this image placeholder here, and then a text placeholder over here. And then if we click and insert an image and a text, we are going to have something that looks beautiful like this. So let's have a look at that. So for instance, if I click here, it will give me the option to insert the image that I want, so I can see it's already looking very beautiful. And if I like, let me just quickly copy this, and if I like over here, click here to add text, I just click here and then I insert the text that I want, highlight it, increase the font size, and then change the font family as I want. And then as well, if I want the text, depending on the text that I want to place over here, I can just come here and then type whatever text it is that I want to paste over here, select the text and do just a little bit of formatting to it so that it looks as beautiful as I want it to be. So this is what we are going to learn in today's video, how to make easy templates like this. So if I come to new and I come to new slide, you can see that if I insert a new slide, it will give me the option where I have these placeholders, and how to create this is what we want. So if we look at the original design, we realize that we have a background over here. So this is the original design. We realize that we just have a shape as the background, so I'll delete that, a shape as the background, and then we have our logo here, text here, this, and then the image over here as a placeholder. So to do that, I'm going to delete this as well. So this is the original design. So to create a placeholder, we come to view, then from view we go to slide master. Now this is where the original design is, so I'm going to delete everything that I have over here as well as this. So I come to view slide master, and then under slide master I go to this. You see that there are already pre-existing template with placeholders. I come to this empty one over here. Then what I do is I go home just to get the background already. I come to insert, I select shape, and then I click this. So I just draw a shape that comes somewhere around here, and then I go to shape format, shape fill, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, then I give it the gold color that I already see. Now if I close this and I go back to the original design, you realize that I have an image here, title here, a title here, and then these two icons. So now I explore these two icons. So if I go back to the view slide master option, what I have to do is under the slide master option, you realize that we have insert layout, and our master layout we have insert placeholder, and this is what we want to insert. So we click on this option, so it will give us a content, text, picture, chart, table, smart art, media, and so on and so forth. So in our case we want to insert an image placeholder, so I select that and then I click to highlight where I want my image to be positioned, and that will create the image placeholder for me. So that this one is for the image placeholder. Now for the text placeholder, I do the exact same thing. I come here and then I select text, and then I click on where my text should be positioned, and then I repeat the process again to create another text holder. Okay, over here, and this looks exactly like how I want it. Now if I close this and come here, let me just copy these shapes so that we have the design looking exactly the same. So I go back to view slide master, under over here I just paste over here so that the buttons are positioned where they are. So I select the placeholders that I've created, select the two placeholders, and then I send it a little bit up, then I reduce their sizes a little since they don't have too much content. So I can now select this, just do a little bit of realignment over here, and that should be all for you. So now my image placeholder is ready, my text placeholder is also ready. So I can go to the slide master option and then close my view. I close my view over here. So now if I go to insert new slide, I have the placeholder option created for me. So all I have to do is to select here and then select the image that I want, and then over here uh, type my desired font, sorry, my design title that I want. So I'll copy this guy, and then I come here, I paste it over here. You can do your own formatting, increase the size, the font family and stuff, and then you just type in your text, the text that you want to have over here. You type in your desired text, and then that is how we create placeholders in PowerPoint. So just yeah, something like this. So that is how we create placeholders in PowerPoint. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to view, come to slide master, and then under the slide master option, you now insert your placeholder. So if you want to insert an image placeholder, you go for the one with the picture. Depending on where you want it, then you uh create it over there. Let's say I want an image here, another image below, and some text over here. So I'll do the exact same thing again. Another image placeholder, so another one below over here, and then the next one I want is a text. So I'll create a text placeholder somewhere over here, and then maybe I want some graph or chart or table, or depending on what you want. Let's say content will give you a variety of options. So I draw that over here as well, and that is how I create my placeholders. So if I come back, okay, so it's this one. It's picture, the text only. So I insert that, so you can see I have the option of click to add picture, click to add picture, click to add text, and then here I have more option, whether table, graph, media, or anything. I can just go ahead, click, and then insert any kind of image I want, and then it will be inserted for me. So that is how we create placeholders in PowerPoint. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.